lang doon sa last 600. That Class 4 Division 6, Class 4 Division 4A mile race was brought to us by the Viva Prime Channel. At ito naman ang instant replay presented to us by the Philippine Charities Sweepstakes Office.
Walang kupas.
The rough and racing in a pretty nice event beginning to Erika's talent gets off into a perfect beginning, and so was One Vision, and running in third Brazilian Babe, Manila's Gem in the middle, down on the inside Karma, a length back on carryover, then comes Precious Metal, in between runners Jade Express, 3 wide and getting the widest trip is a pass forward, Mahogany saving ground, then followed over by Kasiyahan, alongside Survey, Elgin second last, while Buboyski is racing in 14th as they wheel down the back. One Vision takes command by a length and a half. Manila's Gem is right behind in second. 3 wide carry over, and in fourth Karma. Then comes Brazilian Babe. Then moving up on the outside is a fast forward. Together down on the inside is Erika's talent. Next in line now we have entry number 11, or that is Mahogany, moving up 3 wide. And inside the last 600, now we have 2 runners in a battle royale. Manila's Gem moves up by about half a length. One Vision in second, and in third still is a carryover. Running now in fourth Survey, then followed over now by Brazilian Babe. 3 and 50 to travel, and it's still Manila's Gem by about a length and a half. One Vision still in second, and in third now is a carryover Survey, but it's still Manila's Gem starts to pull away and scoring this race by 3 over One Vision. Survey, then comes carryover and Karma.